Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time I'm going to be pragmatic. I'm going to do something that it's out of my comfort zone, since I'm going to be precise in what we're going to do, so that you can reproduce exactly what we're going to do today, if you like it, of course. So I'm going to take five parts of Floetrol, 3 parts of acrylic, 2 parts of water, and 1 part of white glue. So I think it's going to be very interesting. This time I'm going to do a flip cup, a dirty flip cup, and we're going to burn it to have a little bit more cells, because as you know, Floetrol and of course white glue makes cells. So we're going to see what happens. I'm sure it's going to be great. So let's go and try it, and let's go come back afterwards at the end, and we're going to talk about it. So let's go. So guys, I hope you liked it as much as I did. As you may know, I'm not a particular fan of cells. I like it more when it's fluid. But I have to admit that this time I love the result. I think it's great. I think that the mix with everything give us a nice finish. I think it's going to be one work that we do with paint that is going to require a bit of varnish. Well, again, it's a question of taste, but I think the proportion that the portion that we took, I don't know exactly, as you know, I always make lots more, and as you can see, I did make again a lot, but still with the same quantity, 5 parts of Floetrol, 3 of acrylic, 2 of water, and 1 of white glue. So I think the result is great, but I wanted to show you, I had, of course, a lot of acrylic left, so I wanted to show you the difference when you do another technique. So I did on a board that I have, I do my test on it, so I did fluid pouring. So it's not a flip cup, I did a pouring, and I did burn it just a little bit. The only difference is I didn't have as much yellow left. So that's why there's a lot less yellow and a lot less white, because the same thing with the white. But as you can see, it's two kinds of painting, completely different, just by changing the way you pour your paint on the canvas. It makes a whole lot of difference, and it's like not two of a kind. It's completely different. So you can like one more than the other, of course, but that's why I wanted to show you. So with the portion that we have, you can reproduce exactly the way you like it best. So you can do fluid pouring or a flip cup. It depends on your taste, but at least you can see a bit what it could look like. Of course, if you change the color or put less color, it might be something that would be interesting, just putting a little bit less of colors, because I did put 6 colors in, so maybe just put 4 colors. It would be more defined. The colors by themselves would be more defined because they're a lot less. Now it's more dense, there's a lot more color, but still I think it's very nice. So guys, once again, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you're gonna try it, because like I said, it's very easy. It's a bit more work since you don't go a cappella, you go more specific. But I think it's quite nice, and at least, like I said, you can reproduce exactly what we made if you like it. So guys, like always, thanks for being here. I hope you're gonna come back, and please, like always, subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys. Ciao.